everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to sculpt water without sucking all the air in, like when it goes like that. Ready? All of it. Ready, set, go.
He's dribbling. He's dribbling.
He's never dribbling.
He's doing the whole bottle. Uh-oh. You did pretty good. Go you, Max. See if you can do it.
I still got more. I still got more too.
Okay.
I can do the water.
Alright, okay. Alright, well, here we are. Sitting on the highway. We're waiting for Mom. Waiting for Honey Bayou in Alexandria.
Bill.
Yeah.
I know, don't mind. Yeah, we're gonna go there.
We're going to show the yard sale, and we're going to go off to pick up that backboard that we just got.
Oh, cool.
Play some basketball later. It'll be fun.
And then we get ready for school tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, first day of school tomorrow. What do you think about that?
Are you gonna go with me to the cafeteria and like drop me off there? I don't have to.
Yeah, I'm gonna do what I can. I'm gonna do what I can. Over and out, Max.
Oh, what?
What's your shirt say?
My shirt says great, faith and God.
How do you feel about that?
Good. What's that for you? Wow.
Okay. What's your shirt say?
Because I believe
What do you believe?
in miracles.
Okay. Let me see the back. Cool.
Newsboys.
Newsboys. What was the Newsboys?
They're a really cool religious Christian band that sings really good songs like "The God's Not Dead."
He's surely alive, living on the inside, oh, like a lion. God's not dead, surely alive. Inside, like a lion. God's not dead.
We're gonna sing that at Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah. Super Family 5-Star Bible
That's
Study.
Max's choice song.
Yeah. Alright, we're over now.
Yeah.
Let's say peace to the YouTubers.
Peace.
Peace.